Yung?
Kung 2.1.3
Oh.
at 1.5 na sa likod.
Ba't ka?
Alright. Okay, right now we're here again here at Edgewood. We'll try again this we call Kings Mountain Road. No, we'll just go a recovery. This time we're gonna go with Brother C. Where's Brother C? Yun. Always recovery. Kompleto na yan? Alright. Enjoy lang. Alright, on the way. Okay, this is our first ride in 2021. Parang ano yung mahina ang pa ako to. Parang mahina ang legs ko ah. Ang sakit sa hita. Brother C, you wanna go? Go ahead. Go ahead. you there? Ayo, Baba. Ayo. Very good. Pinaliliko kita rin sa Olive Hill eh. Yung nasa muna siya nag-ride. Yung sigawan kita, meron din doon, alam ko eh.
Okay. Dito tayo.
Yeah. So here we are, Kings Mountain Road. The road that we always surrender. Tigas ulo namin. Keep coming back. Keep on trying.
Dito.
Yeah.
Is it?
Dito tayo. Tapos pagdating natin dito sa ano, yung sa outside,
ano?
hanggang kung saan hanggang tayo nahinto.
Yeah.
No? Alright? Tunay ito.
Parang swing ito na mahaba.
This is it, buddy.
Ha? Ano na? Oh. Hindi na mahal kayo, bahala kayo.
Kasi ito,
Tabi kayo. Tabi kayo.
ito kasi pababa. So mamaya aahon agad.
Bakit pa natin ginagawa?
Tigas ulo natin eh.
Sa ulo natin.
Matigas ang ulo, sige pa rin eh. Here we are, going downhill now. Just a little downhill, short downhill, and then gonna be uphill. Okay. No more. No more. No more. Oh, ayaw na eh. Si Uncle C, oh.
Granny gear ko.
Oo. Lugi pala tayo. Ha?
Lugi tayo sa mountain bike.
I know. Here we are again. Mga kaibigan. Ito po. Ha? Ha? Oh, sakay. Pare, tutuloy pa ba tayo? Hindi na, agad dito na lang. It's really hard. Maglakad. Kahit nakikita kami. This is what we call, okay lang, parusa. Kasi po, what we call punishment. Siguro. Ha? Hindi na eh. Sagad na eh. Yeah, mas mahina ngayon.
Dati doon tayo huminto, doon pa tayo eh.
Oo.
Nasaan na ba si Uncle C? Hindi ko na kaya.
Uy, may trail doon oh.
Yeah, may trail doon sa dumaan.
Pwede pala rin eh.
Sabi ko mag-push ride tayo dito.
Mag-push
riding na.
Yung kami nga eh. May Uber ba dito?
Kailan. We're back. Same thing. Si Baba, ang lakas. Ang daya.
3 weeks ako.
Pa-mountain bike. Yeah.
May nakita ko nag-vlog nito. Kinakit niya to 30 minutes hanggang sa taas. From the foot.
See?
30 minutes.
Actually, this ride, we just show it to Baba. How hard it is.
Oh yeah.
Really?
It's really hard.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
This is really challenge. Not only challenge, punishment.
Hindi.
Sa biker.
Talaga naman eh.
Akala mo, kinakabi.
Hindi sa chassis.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko yung kumakabog na yung dibdib ko na kaya mahirap talaga. Kaya masarap.
Yeah, I know.
Parang lalabas sa dibdib mo yung puso mo.
Baba, okay ka lang? Ha?
Iba rin yung banat natin kahapon eh.
Ready?
Bibilis pa naman ang sasakyan dito.
Kaya nga eh. Okay, we decided to retreat. Retreat again. Mission
Ay, nakita niyo yung maganda ko kanina. Sa road bike ko.
unaccomplished. Ay,
Wala na ako magagawa.
yeah, I think it's not the bicycle.
It's not the bike, it's not Uncle
It's not the bike.
It's us.
Yeah. Sorry. Kahit ano pang gawin namin.
Hinihila na nga tayo.
This is us. This is us. See? This is us.
Aha, yan.
Kailangan ito ang ilagay sa, sa cover.
Okay.
This is us.
Tinatrangkohan na nga tayo ni Uncle C. Hindi pa rin tayo makabak.
I know.
Kasalanan na natin.
Kasalanan natin.
In other words, practice pa more.
Alright. Folks, babalikan namin daw po yun. Okay? Babalikan namin po yun, sabi ni Brother C.
Siyempre, siguro yung 1 year kong bike pwede na.
We did not make it. Actually this is our 3rd attempt. Yeah.
Yeah. Third attempt, but
Well,
they want me to go with them. But
you are good friends, so that counts for more than just climbing up.
Second city na din. NL. That's it.
well, anyway, thank you for watching our videos, our vlog. What we call Mission
Fail.
Failed.
Again.
Again. But thank you. Just continue watching. Just comment, like, and share, subscribe, and smile.
smile.
Yeah.
New Year. Happy New Year, everybody.
There we go.
Happy,
Oh yeah, it's
happy New Year, everybody.
oh Happy
And
New
this is
Year.
the first day of the great New Year, 2021.
Oo nga pala. Oh, Happy New Year. Oh brother, Happy New Year.
New Year, nagpapumutok na ang aking legs.